in this section, we are going to discuss about the problem related to application of quadratic equation. The question is, if 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. The number 460 is divided by a natural number. So we can take, let the natural number be x. 460 is divided by a natural number. That means 460 is divided by x. So we can write this x as divisor. Here dividend 460. 460 is divided by a natural number. So we take that natural number as x, that is the divisor, and 460 is dividend. The given condition is 460 divided by a natural number, the quotient is quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Here divisor is x, 5 times divisor is 5x, and it's 6 more. 6 more than 5 times the divisor. That is the value of quotient. So we can write quotient is equal to 5x plus 6. And remainder equal to 1. Find the divisor and quotient. According to the relation, dividend equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Euclid division lemma. If we use this relation, how we can represent the given information? Here dividend is 460. Therefore, 460 is equal to divisor is x and quotient is 5x plus 6, remainder 1. 460 is equal to x into 5x plus 6 plus 1. Therefore, we can write 460 is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Therefore, we can write 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is minus 459 equal to 0. That means we form a quadratic equation according to the given conditions. If we solve this quadratic equation, we get the value of x. That means the divisor. How we can solve this quadratic equation? We can use either factorization method or formula. If we use the formula, then how we can represent this? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b is 6, minus 6 plus or minus root of b square is 36 minus 4 into a is 5, 5 into c is minus 459 by 2a. 2a is 5, that is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. Then solve this. Minus 6 plus or minus root of 36 plus 9180 by 10, that is minus 6 plus or minus root of 9216 by 10. Root of 9216 is 96, that is minus 6 plus or minus 96 by 10. Minus 6 plus 96 by 10 is, so the value of x equal to minus 6 plus 96, that is 90. 90 by 10 is 9, and the value of x is equal to minus 6 minus 96. 10 minus 102 by 10 is minus 10.2. We get the two values of x, and x be the divisor. That's also given that it's a natural number. So the value of x is positive. So take the positive value, that is x is equal to 9. So we can conclude that the value of x is equal to 9. That is divisor x is equal to 9 and quotient equal to 5x plus 6. Here x is equal to 9 and 5x plus 6 is equal to 51. Divisor is 9 and quotient is 51. That means the dividend 460, if 460 is divided by 9, we get the quotient 51 and remainder 1. In this problem, according to the conditions, we form quadratic equation, and here we use the formula, find out the values of x, and it is given that x be a natural number. So we take the positive value of x, then we get the divisor and quotient. In the given figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to CD and its area is 33 centimeter square. From the information given in the figure, find the length of its all sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Fill the empty boxes to get the solution. This is our question. The figure is given. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Quadrilateral is a trapezium means it's the quadrilateral whose one pair is parallel. Here the parallel sides are AB and CD, that is given, and its area is also given, and its sides, the side AB is x, BC, length of BC and AD are equal, that is x minus 2, and the side CD is 2x plus 1. AM is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides AB and CD, that is x minus 4. And some empty boxes are here. To find out the solution, we have to fill this empty boxes according to the given information. Move step by step. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium, AB parallel to CD. A of quadrilateral ABCD, that means area of this trapezium. What is area of trapezium? Area of a trapezium equal to half into the sum of the length of its parallel sides. Here its parallel sides are AB and CD. Its sum into height. Area of trapezium, area of a trapezium is half into sum of length of the parallel sides into height. Height or perpendicular distance between the parallel sides. So, what will come in this empty box? Its height is AM. So, we can fill this empty box as AM. Next step, area. Area is given in the question, 33 centimeter square. That is equal to half into length of AB is x and length of CD is 2x plus 1 into AM. Length of AM is x minus 4. Therefore, 3x means x plus 2x is 3x plus 1 into, this is x minus 4. And which value on this box? 33 into 2. 33 into 2 is 66. That is 66 is equal to 3x plus 1 into x minus 4. Next step is 3x square minus 2, 1 empty box minus 1 box equal to 0. That means we form quadratic equation. For that, take this step. 66 equal to 3x plus 1 into x minus 4. Find the product of these two terms. It become 3x square minus 12x plus x, that is minus 11x minus 4. 66 equal to 3x square minus 11x minus 4. So, we can write it as 3x square minus 11x minus 4 minus 66 is minus 70 equal to 0. So, what the values on these boxes? 3x square minus 11x minus 70 equal to 0. We get the corresponding quadratic equation. Then what is next step? Actually, we have to solve this quadratic equation to get the value of x. (3x square minus 11x minus 70 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and here 3x taken as common. For that, to find the factors of this quadratic equation, we have to rewrite this equation as 3x square minus, rewrite this the term 11x, that we can write as 21x plus 10x. We write the term 11x as 21x plus 10x. 21 minus 21x plus 10x is minus 11x. Minus 70 equal to 0. Now consider these two terms and 3x taken as common. 3x into x minus 7 plus, here 10 taken as common. 10 into x minus 7 equal to 0. So, how we can fill this empty places? 3x into x minus 7 plus 10 into x minus 7 equal to 0. What is next step? X minus 7 is common. So the remaining part is 3x plus 10 into x minus 7. The given quadratic equation is write in terms of product of two terms. 3x plus 10 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now equate each term to 0. That is 3x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus 10 is equal to 0 means the value of x is equal to minus 10 by 3, or x minus 7 is equal to 0 implies the value of x is equal to 7. Now we get the two values of x is equal to minus 10 by 3 or x is equal to 7. Here x is the length of the side AB. So length never negative. Therefore we can write x not equal to minus 10 by 3. So we can write x is equal to 7. That means we get the length of the side AB. AB equal to 7. Then using that value of x, we can find out the length of other sides. Next, CD. Length of CD equal to 2x plus 1. Here the value of x is 7. So 2x plus 1 is 2 into 7 plus 1 equal to 15. And length of BC equal to AD. The length of that two sides are same. That is x minus 2. Here the value of x is 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Length of AB is 7 centimeter and length of CD is 15 centimeter. Length of CB, BC and AD equal to 5 centimeter. Length of AB is x, that is 7 centimeter. Length of CD is 2x plus 1. Here value of x is 7, that is 2 into 7 plus 1. 2 into 7 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 centimeter. And length of BC equal to length of AD, that is equal to x minus 2. The value of x is 7, so 7 minus 2 is 5 centimeter. That means we find out the length of its all sides. Thank you.